That right there is a young and rare guinea pig named Rhino. Hey, Rhino! Hi. Maybe I can get him to purr for you. He's purring. Yeah, Ryan. Keep purring. Keep purring. Well, I don't know if you heard that, but he was purring pretty dang loud. So, I'm pretty sure you might have heard it a little bit. Gotta listen carefully and stuff. I have a page for... And then, underneath all this stuff, my sweet monster hat, I have a fish aquarium where I kept my... what is it? Lizard thingy, I don't remember what it's called. Hey, Rhino, come out here. Come out here, Rhino. Oh, fine, don't come out here. I like your little cowlick on your hair.